In this video, I'll show you how you can download and install the Oneblock map in Minecraft. Now this is super simple, guys, so let's get straight into it. First, what you want to do is search for Oneblock Minecraft on Google and choose the CurseForge one. Now after you open up this, you're gonna check by scrolling down the current version and make sure it's the version of your Minecraft. So what you can do is simply find 1.21, which is the Minecraft right now, click on it, and from in here you want to press download. Now wait for it to download. It's gonna take 5 seconds or something, and it's gonna come up here. And after it's done doing that, you'll now have a new folder. Now what you want to do with this is you want to open it up. I have one right here, so I'm just gonna open this one, and from in here you'll have a folder which is your map. Now what you want to do with this one is you want to come down here and search for run, press enter, and type in %app_data%. Press OK and open up here. Go to .minecraft, go to saves, and then simply drag this one in here. Now as you can see, I've dragged mine in here, and when I go to Minecraft real quick, it will be right here under your games. So that's basically how it works, guys. Now it's super simple and super easy, so I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.